if you ever get any of these switches, they're just an on-off switch, but you got 3 different terminals back here, 2 silver and 1 gold. And in my experience, the gold terminal is always where your power goes. And then it looked to me like it had 2 different terminals for outputs. But that's not how this thing works. It had me chasing my tail. I was unwiring the motor. I was tracing down all the wiring, making sure I had all good connections, and I couldn't find it. Finally, I came back to this switch and I got looking at it and started probing around, and it turns out you put your power on the middle one, then you put your output on this one, and then you ground the gold one. And then that would allow this to light up when you turn it on, and it would allow enough voltage to get through these two, because I was just getting 2.7 volts out when I had it on this gold terminal, the power coming in there, and then out on either one of these was 2.7. So I don't understand it, but that's how they work. So if you ever have to wire one of these up, that's how.